It's 2026, and let's just be honest with each other. You're probably a little broke right now, or a lot broke. Rent went up, groceries went up, your paycheck somehow did not. And every single day, some video promises you 25 ways to get rich. Just start dropshipping, just flip an NFT, just trade a little crypto. Here's the truth almost nobody says out loud. Most of that advice is garbage, and in 2026, a lot of it is flat out dead. The old money playbook broke because AI just changed the entire game. So today, no hype, no fluff, no magic get rich quick button. Just the ways real people are actually making money in 2026, sorted by how they truly work. I'm going to show you what to avoid, what pays fast, and what can genuinely change your life. With real numbers and the one simple rule that separates the winners from everyone still stuck. Because here's the thing most people never figure out. Making money in 2026 is not about finding some secret nobody else knows. It is about understanding one simple idea. And once you actually see it, you can never unsee it. So let's get into it. Before a single method, you need the one rule that sorts all of them. Every way to make money on earth falls into one of two boxes. Box 1, you trade your time directly for money. You work an hour, you get paid for that hour. You stop working, the money stops cold. Box 2, you build something that pays you even while you sleep. A product, an audience, a tool, an asset that works without you. Box 1 is how you survive. Box 2 is how you get free. And almost everyone spends their entire life trapped inside Box 1. The whole goal in 2026 is actually simple. Start in Box 1 to eat, then use that money and those skills to build Box 2. Keep that one rule in your head the whole way through. It is the entire game. Now let's start where you should never put your money or your time. Level 0, the traps, the stuff that looks like money and quietly eats it instead. First trap, anything that mostly pays you to recruit other people. If you earn by signing people up and not by selling something real, just run. That is not a business. That is a pyramid wearing a logo. Second trap, the get-rich-fast markets. Crypto flipping, day trading, forex signals. Yes, a tiny handful of people win big. Almost everyone else quietly loses every single day. If it is easier to lose your money than to make it, that is not a job. It is a casino. Third trap, dead gig work. Basic data entry, tiny survey sites, manual captions and typing. AI does all of that now, faster and basically for free. That door is slamming shut. So here is your simple filter for 2026. Ask 3 questions about any idea. 1. Is AI already replacing this? 2. Is the whole industry shrinking? 3. Is it easier to lose money here than to make it? If you answer yes to even one, walk away and do not look back. Okay, now the ways that actually put real money in your pocket. Tier 1, fast money. Cash you could realistically make this week. This tier still trades your time, so the ceiling is low, but it is the fastest path to your first dollar. Method 1, sell the stuff you already own. Look around your home right now. The average person is sitting on hundreds of dollars of unused things. Old phones, clothes, gadgets, furniture nobody uses. List it, sell it, done. It will not make you rich, but it is real money today, with 0 skill required. Method 2, flip other people's stuff. Buy cheap or free from yard sales and local listings. Clean it up, sell it for more. Buy low, sell high. The oldest business on earth, and it still works perfectly. Method 3, simple gig work, but the smart kind. Not the dead stuff, the human stuff that AI cannot fake yet. Walk dogs, assemble furniture, help people move, run errands around your town. Real people still pay real money for a real pair of hands. Method 4, be the face that AI cannot be. Short user content for brands. Companies are desperate for normal-looking people to show off their products on camera. You do not need to be famous. You just need to be real, and it pays better than you would think. Tier 1 will not change your life, but it buys you a little time, and it builds momentum. And momentum is the exact thing that carries you up into Tier 2. Tier 2, skill money. This is where it starts to get serious. Here, you stop selling your raw hours and start selling a skill people cannot easily do themselves. And the rarer that skill is, the more they pay you. This is the real middle class of the internet. Method 5, short-form video editing. Every creator and business on earth needs clips now, and most of them are genuinely terrible at it. Learn to cut one good short, charge per video. Good editors get booked out fast. Method 6, writing that makes people buy. Copywriting. Words that convince someone to purchase are worth a fortune because they directly print money for a business. A, I can write a rough draft. It still cannot truly think like your customer. That gap is your paycheck. Method 7. Become the AI setup person for small businesses. Most small business owners are drowning in work and quietly terrified of AI. You do not need to build anything. You just need to plug the tools in for them. Set up a chatbot to answer their messages. A simple AI receptionist to catch their missed calls. They pay you once and it saves them hours every single week. It is an easy yes for them. Method 8. And here is the trick that separates Tier 2 from Tier 1. Do not say, I charge $20 an hour. Say, I will get you this specific result for this specific price. Charge for the outcome, not the clock. Same work and often triple the money. Tier 2 can quietly grow into a real full income. Honestly, some people never need to go further. But if you want money that keeps arriving while you sleep, there is one final tier. Tier 3, asset money. This is box 2. This is where you actually get free. Everything in this tier is slower and harder, and everything in this tier can pay you forever. Method 9. Sell a digital product. Make one useful thing a single time. A template, a guide, a preset, a small course. Then sell that exact same file 1,000 times over while you do absolutely nothing. The first sale is the hard one. The 1,000th sale costs you nothing at all. Method 10. Build a tiny software tool, a micro app. You do not need to be a giant tech company. You need one small tool that fixes one annoying problem. People pay a little bit every month, forever. And forever is the magic word here. Method 11. Build an audience. Content. This is the slowest method of them all, and also the single most powerful. Post about something you actually know, consistently, until people begin to trust you. An audience is a machine you can point at any product for the rest of your life. Method 12. Own a small, boring business and pour AI into it. There are simple, boring, unglamorous businesses everywhere, still run like it is 1995. Buy one or start one, then bolt modern tools onto it and watch the whole thing wake up. Tier 3 is the hard bucket. It is measured in years, not weekends. But this is the tier that finally stops you ever needing Tier 1 again. Now here's a part that matters more than any single method on this whole list. The reason most people stay broke is not that they picked the wrong idea. It is that they picked 12 ideas and quit every single one of them. They edit videos for a week, then jump to dropshipping, then to crypto, then to the next shiny thing. And every single jump sends them right back to zero. Forever beginner, forever broke. So here is the brutal truth. Almost any method on this list will work if you actually stick with it. The winner was never the person who found the one perfect idea. The winner is simply the person still standing after everyone else quit. So pick one, just one, and give it real, honest time before you judge it. So what do you actually do starting today? Step 1, remember the 2 boxes. If you need cash right now, start in Tier 1 this week. Step 2, while that pays the bills, quietly start learning just one Tier 2 skill. Step 3, once you have a little money and a little skill, slowly begin building one Tier 3 asset. That is the entire path in order. Survive, then build, then get free. And step 4, the one almost nobody ever does. Actually begin. Not tomorrow, not when things finally calm down. Today, pick one method and take one tiny action. Because in 2026, the internet does not pay you for effort. It pays you for value actually delivered. And the people who win are simply the ones who start and then refuse to quit. So tell me, which one are you starting with? Put it in the comments. I actually read them. If this gave you a real plan instead of just more hype, do me a favor and subscribe. We pull back the curtain on the money machine behind everyday life every few days. Now go make some money. I will see you in the next one.